With just one egg, you can save your plant's life. You have no idea what this egg can do to your houseplant. Watch this video until the end and be amazed. But now, I am curious to know from which city you are following us. We are going to start our tip by taking a small bowl. Here I have one egg. I'm going to poke a little hole in the top of the egg, with the help of a spoon handle, or even a knife handle. Later I use my hand to open the hole a little more. Once it is open, we will pour the whole egg into the container. There is no secret. Now that I've removed the egg, I'll wash the shell and show you. Look at that, folks, it is already well washed. You are going to take the little plant you want to protect and one barbecue stick. It can be the whole stick, or half of it, like I'm doing here. Bury the toothpick in the soil of your plant. Then take the eggshell and place it like this on top of the toothpick. This will protect any plant you have, and I'll tell you why. The butterfly, when it comes to lay its eggs, it lays them hidden, under the leaf of the plant. Most of the time we don't see it. After a week, your plant is taken over by this pest. But when the butterfly looks at the egg that is hanging there, she will understand that this is a potential threat to her eggs. This will prevent the butterflies from laying eggs on your plant. But this technique is only good for butterfly eggs, caterpillars. For other pests, you need another technique. Today's message is in John chapter 8 verse 12. And Jesus spoke to them again, saying, I am the light of the world, he that followeth me shall not walk in darkness, but shall have the light of life. Jesus says here that he is the light of the world, and he will light the road of anyone who trusts and believes in him. It is much easier to find our way in life when we can see where we are going. So the Lord is providing a light for our lives as we walk with him. See you in the next video. Bye bye.